No adjournment.
Item 1.
My senior is appearing on through VC.
My lord, I beg to appear, my lord.
You have not taken steps, Fukan.
My lord, the addresses which have been given, no addresses actually have been given to us, my lord. And in fact, if I may just allow, my lord, if I can draw your lordship's attention to the memo of parties. And in fact, the orders also will reflect that. Some of the addresses are not even there in the, if your lordship may be kind enough to notice respondent number 7 to respondent number 17, for example. Only the name of the party and son of so and so is mentioned. 7 to 17, your lordship. Then again, if your lordship may see number 23.
In appeal, opposite party number, respondent number from 5 to 16 in appeal.
Radhika Kolita, son of late Ambiram Kolita. Jiten Das, son of late Gobindo Das. All the way to Kajol Sharma, son of Sri Shankar Sharma. Then again, your lordship will see number 23 in my IA, that is Sri Nandinath Sharma, Assam. No address, nothing. It's just the name is there, and below that it's Assam.
Lordship?
He's appeal.
Appeal.
In fact, your lordship had directed on the last day that they may furnish the addresses, but we have not got any address.
Till 15, 5 to 15, all are residents of Kamakya Hill. And the respondent 5 to 15. Below 15, my lord. Yes, my lord. Also, my lord. Yes, my lord. That I'm not sure, my lord, but
No.
Because they were not represented, my lord, before even the learned single judge in the writ petition.
8/6/2023. There's only say that issued. We don't know whether it has come back or not. Yeah. In the thing, recap it. List the matter before the law was court to ascertain whether notice has been served on the respondents 5 to 15 and
My lord, 23.
1 minute. Number 5 to 15.
In appeal, Lordship 5. In appeal, Lordship 5, 6.
23 also, my lord, are resident of Kamakya
18 to 38 and 42 to 67. List after 2 weeks.
Deeply obliged, my lord.
Please, some more time is required to make the justice service. I have done something, but yet to, my lord, serve to some of the respondent.
Yeah, yet to serve.
Yet to serve to some of the respondent.
Okay. Okay, on request made by Mr. D.K. Sharma, learned additional statement. How much time required?
2 weeks, well.
This is the matter of 2 weeks to enable him to complete service of notice on the unserved respondents by justice service.
Obliged.
3.
Wait, please. After period, my lord, I was instructed to for an IA as regards to, my lord, implementing the proper parties and just typing out the
Okay. You want to delete 1 and 7?
My lord.
You want to delete respondent 1 and 7
Yes, my lord.
in the writ appeal, writ petition? Correct?
Yes, my lord.
Okay. Any objections? Heard, Mr.
M. K. Sharma.
Learned counsel for the applicants. Also heard MS.
ADAS,
ADAS,
School Education Group.
Learned Standing Council, School Education Department.
Three.
Any others? MS, S. Kempre, Learned Standing Council, KAAC. That's all. So, by this application, the applicant is praying for deleting the name of the respondent number 1 and 7 in WBC number 3331, 333, huh? Of 2025. Stop. Learned counsel for the respondents have no objections. We have also perused the course shown in the present application and we are satisfied. Accordingly, the name of the respondents 1 and 7 be deleted as party respondents in WBC 3331 of 2025. So in the writ appeal on IO stance disclosed in the writ appeal, you say writ petition in view of the order passed today in the ISO and so let the names of respondent 1 and 7 be deleted as party respondents. The petitioner is directed to file an amended course title within.
My lord.
You file an amended course title within 1 week.
My lord.
Okay, list after 2 weeks.
All right, your lord.
Item 7, orders.
Yeah.
Actually, my name was not shown in the this.
Yes, Bora.
Right.
Heard, Mr.
Is it?
Is it Ahmed, learned counsel for the applicant? Applicant. Union
Mhm.
MSA Gayan, learned counsel, learned CGC appears for the respondent 1 and Mr. DB Boral and standing counsel health department. Oh, 1 and 2, huh? 1 and 2.
Yes.
1, 2, and 3. And Mr. DB Boral and standing counsel health department appears for the respondents 4, 5, and 6. And MS RB Bora, learned government.
4, 5, 6, 8,
Respondent.
9, 10, my lord.
Oh, 8, 9, 10, huh? 4, 5, 6, for the respondent 7. So, yeah. By this application, the applicants who are the writ appellants in writ appeal number 211 of 2025 are praying for restoration of the said writ appeal, which was dismissed for non-prosecution on 15/7/2025. Stuff. On perusal of the question, we are satisfied. And accordingly, the writ appeal is restored back to file. I has disposed the writ appeal in view of the order passed to the NIA, so and so. This writ appeal is restored back to file with its original number. List after
Next week.
a week.
Amounts.
Item 4, admission.
On behalf of PJ Pokon, actually senior is not present today and request for adjourn the matter for 1 week.
Okay. On request, we have a PG open, and then the council for the petition. Appellant, list. After 2 weeks,
Item 5.
Your Lordship, I'm paying for an adjournment today. Lordship may kindly take up the matter on Monday.
you are appealing for,
Appellant, Lordship,
you want an adjournment
Lordship,
on request made by MS.
ADAS.
A does, and the council for the applicant. List after 1 week.
6.
First, we will file this writ appeal for enhancement of the compensation amount because allowed to us against the total land of 13 bigas, 3 katas and 16 less.
When was it?
Yes,
When did the acquisition take place?
it took in the year 1968-69 or so.
Then,
It was allowed in our favor, Lord, right? But amount was very less, Lordship. So we are not satisfied. So
that's all. Oh. At that relevant point of time, they've assessed the land, isn't it?
yes,
And made the award,
yes,
correct?
yes. But we at that time we did not receive any amount, Lordship. Later on, we filed this writ petition, and it was allowed in our favor.
Oh,
But amount was very less, Lordship.
that was the assessed amount.
Yes, Lordship.
Then,
Now we are paying for the enhancement, Lordship, because for present market value.
1968 assessment. You prepare and come.
So 1 week time is
Okay, on request made by Mr.
Your Lordship,
MJ Gopal.
MJ Gogol, then the council for the petition.
Your Lordship,
For the applicant.
despite the Water Resource Department being listed in this matter, we are not a part of this matter. As for respondent number 6, the Union of India.
You take steps. List after 2 weeks.
7.
That name of the CCC is not shown in the
Uh,
first list.
Ministry is directed to list the name, to list the name of the London CDC in the first list,
Yes.
to reflect.
Item 7.
May it please, your Lord. My Lord, this writ appeal is against the judgment, my Lord. Page 112, my Lord.
Okay. Page 4. Okay.
I'm in a better position than the other. I have joined,
You given a date,
yes, I have given a thing,
so that date you require,
yes. And there is,
not the date from your junior or
no,
given.
I am in a better position, and I am the only junior engineer.
But here notice has not gone, isn't it?
Lordship may issue notice at this.
But Mr. B. Barwell, let the counsel for the applicant. Issue notice. Anybody appearing?
For 1, 3, 5, and 6.
MSRB Bora, Leonard, Governor, it appears for respondents. 1, 3, 5, and 6, 7. Stop. Finance,
I shall inform them.
Chalia,
Children.
A. Chalia, Leonard standing for the finance department. Appears for respondent number 2. 2. Oh, stop. Applicant to take steps for service of notice on the respondents 4 and 7 by registered post either one. Oh, yes, before minutes.
Public.
Admission.
Might be lost.
Yeah.
This very short matter, my lord, because in this case, you also can see, I have been given these of a bill, my lord, not fishery for 3 months. I have invested money, my lord, in so many other things also, my lord. So my only prayer was that I may be allowed to catch the fish before the settlement is given to anybody else. This is all. Now you will kindly see page 70, my lord. Page
7?
Page 69. Page 69. Initially, my lord, last year, there was a tender that was cancelled. Thereafter, my lord, your lordship kindly say, I take to your lordships to page 34, my lord. Page 34 first, my lord. Page 34. Page 34. Pursuant to the decision taken in the meeting of the Lord Sabine, Governor Asham is pleased to cancel the ongoing process of settlement of the heart so and so. Existing lessee may be given extension at the settlement value fixed for the year 2003-4. As complaints have been received at various levels that small traders, vendors, etc., are often exploited by the bidders who quote exorbitantly high bid prices to grab the lease. Governor Asham further pleased to make the provision that no settlement shall be made with the bidders who quote more than 10%. So and so. Accordingly, the new NIT will include this condition as such so and so. So it in pursuance to that, your lordship kindly see page 41. Page 41. Annex 4. Your lordship got it.
Yeah.
Now, your lordship, this is dated 28/3/25. That as per the approval of the executive officer of the so-and-so Anchalik Panchayat and executive officer, and in the interest of the revenue of Anchalik Panchayat and as per application of the director so-and-so, it is hereby leased the Kuwaikata bill situated under the Dhonibil Gaon Panchayat within the jurisdiction of so-and-so for the period of 1/4/25 to 36/25. It was given to me, my lord, at an amount of rupees 30,000, with only so-and-so lucky welfare and allowed to manage temporarily. Terms and conditions, rules and regulations of the fishery department should follow in nourishing and fishing the bill. No work can be done in convenience to neighboring people, but bill cannot be caused damage by cutting so-and-so. The lease may be considered anytime in necessity of the government and the Anchalik Panchayat. So I continue. Thereafter, my lord, I have invested your lord from page 43 to page 59. About 12 lakhs rupees, my lord, I invested, my lord. Fishing was done. Then, my lord, what happened, my lord? There was a notification, which was government notification, my lord, dated your lordship will find page 53, page 53. This notification says for a particular period, my lord, fishing is banned. It is prohibited.
Fishery.
Sorry, fisherman. Consequent upon the decision taken by the government of Assam in Fishery Department, the governor of Assam is pleased to prohibit the use of Berajal, Mohajal fishing or any type of net with messes less than 7 days, so and so, from bidding from 1st April to 15th July in any proclaimed fishery. I am only on that, my lord. In any proclaimed fishery under Rule 23 of the Assam Fishery Rules, the use of net with, I am not on that, my lord. Thereafter, prohibition on catching of the broadleaf of the certain species in the proclaimed fishery is imposed with effect from 1st May to 31st July under Rule 23, so and so, so and so. Now they are saying, my lord, this I have, thereafter your lordship will find page 55. This was in pursuance to that notification, this order was given that I am not allowed to further, my lord, to touch the bills by single 55. Then I have given an application page 57, your lord's kinds. The details application given that kindly allow me to fish or only allow me to for some extension, my lord, to enable me to take out the fish from the bill, my lord. That was at 57. That was not considered, so I have approached. In the meantime, a tender was issued. Page 60. Page 60, my lord. 5625. Your lordship got it, 5625. That was put into challenge, and your lordship will find page 68 in the plan a single judge's order. Now, in the single event, page 70, I take your lordship's to me. The petition of paragraph 4, my lord. I'm getting paragraph 4. Page 70. The petitioner's counsel submit that the tender quantity dated so and so should be set aside. As in terms of section 109 and rule 47, all fisheries of Anchal Panchayat is to be settled by quoting a tender for at least 45 days before the last date for submission of bid. However, in the present case, only 20 days time had been given for submission of the bid. The petitioner's counsel also submits that you will kindly know. As the cooperative bid is not a proclaimed fishery, as provided under Rule 1A of the fishery rules, there cannot be prohibition in fishing. As such, the MP notification dated so and so should be set aside. So far, the present petitioner is concerned, my lord. Thereafter, your lordship, nothing has been stated on this, whether it is proclaimed fishery or not, whether this notice applies or not. Nothing, not a single whisper in the order, my lord. Simple, my lord, paragraph 7, although my settlement was cancelled without putting into challenge by anybody, my lord. Paragraph 7. The petitioner has put a challenge to so and so, so and so. So that my lord, no order tender has been issued. WC for safe fishery has to be done, go through. The notification annexed, then page 72, your lordship in this one. Paragraph 9. My settlement status. Paragraph 9. Above notification clearly states that a fishing has been banned in the state of Assam in the various fisheries with effect on so and so. Banned in the proclaimed fishery, my lord. So that is to be first decided whether mine was a proclaimed fishery or not, whether the notification applies or not. Then the alleged temporary settlement of the fisheries petitioner for 3 months is accordingly set aside. Nobody, I have come for other reasons. I have come only to allow me to fish out my that only for only 15 days or 30 days will be required, my. Only I am on that. I have nothing to say. I am not saying that, my lord, it is not to be settled. It has nothing to. My only prayer is that, my lord, I have invested about 12 lakhs of rupees, my. This is going to wait months.
Yeah.
Mr. Chaudhary, where is the tender by after pursuant to which you have been given this settlement?
Oh, settlement not been given, tender has been called.
Where?
Yes, your kindness is page 30.
That is the tender for 1 year. Where is the tender
no.
for 3 years, 3 months?
Oh, 3 months, that I have, no tender, settlement was given. No, matter. Tender, you was, tender cancel, all the tender cancel.
Cancel.
For
Temporary arrangement department.
Departmental given.
It can be done departmentally. If it is to be given to anybody in the public, there has to be a tender. You said that there is a short tender.
No, no. That is clarified, madam. That is clarified in the order, your lost kindness.
That order they have clarified, but your submission is
That was, madam, madam, inadvertently it was written, but it was clarified.
the tender process is presently underway. Your claim, second plea was that 20 days time was given. Court has extended it to 45 days. So that.
No, that is, I have simply said that, my lord, it is without, in violation of that section 109.
Court has also taken care of that.
That's no problem, madam.
You participate in the tender.
No, I am not question of participating, madam.
If you have incurred any expense.
Yeah.
In pursuance to this 28/3/2025.
Madam.
You approach the authorities in the manner known to law.
I approach them, madam, because since they have already called the tender.
We will not permit you.
No, madam, you all kindly see what is the.
And secondly.
Anybody will be prejudiced.
Settlement for
Nobody will be prejudiced, madam.
You have been given a settlement for 3 months.
3 months. It is lease, madam. Lease, not settlement.
It's also not permissible.
Yeah. No, not
How
permissible.
many-
Nobody has challenged that already gone.
This fish traps that you have put in.
Yes,
Spawn.
right.
Within 3 months, it will become mature.
Whatever, madam, the breed, so many kinds of fish are there, man. Whatever is there, it may be, it goes, my question, madam, whatever I have done.
You approach the authorities. If there is any expenses made.
That you'll get it.
That you will get it.
Madam,
This we will not.
expense I will get, madam. Madam, your lordship, no, madam, what is, nobody will prejudice, madam, if I am allowed to, madam, catch my fish, madam.
Dismiss.
Nobody will prejudice.
Okay.
No, madam, your lordship is to hear, madam. This is not the way how your lordship is to reject it, madam. What is my prayer, madam? My prayer is, I am not telling anybody, madam. Now I have come and you have cancelled my lease. That cannot be without challenging it by anybody, madam. Court cannot, madam.
That lease itself is not supported by law. Mr. Chaudhary.
No, that cannot, nobody, that lease already gone.
Show me the law by
Madam.
which a 3 months lease.
It is not it is just, madam, what the says, madam.
You
This-
participate
No,
in the
what
tender.
notification says, madam. Temporarily, it may be settled to
Show me
anybody
the
else.
power. Show me the power of the authorities to give you a settlement.
No, my only question, madam, whether it is, whether this notification,
There are.
no, madam, not a single judge, I say that it is not a proclaimed fishery. This notification applies to only proclaimed fishery, this notification. In my case, it's not proclaimed fishery, but court did not say anything on that.
Okay, we accept that.
Right.
It's not a proclamation.
Yes,
Let us accept that.
right.
Now you justify how you could be given that settlement. Or the lease, temporary lease for.
Madam, that was not challenged by anybody, it was given for their interest, madam.
Now.
Madam, for their
now
interest.
that you are gaining benefit under that.
No,
you have to be satisfied.
what 41 says, madam? What 41 page says?
Show the power.
No, you're kindly, this is the power given to Panchayat. What they are given, executive officer is giving me, my lord. As per approval of the executive officer, your lord's kindly knows. The so and so in the interest of revenue of the Anchal Panchayat. And as per application.
They can't do it. There are orders of the school. This fisheries cannot be settled in this manner. It has to be settled.
Not
by-
settled, madam. My one, I think I failed to, madam, convey your lordship, madam, because it
Now
is,
that period is also over.
that also my only prayer is, madam, I may be allowed.
We can extend that period.
I am not saying extension.
How can?
Till the settlement,
No.
madam, my money,
That will be extension of that 3 months period. We can't do that.
madam, let them do, I will not fish anything else, nothing. Only I may be allowed to catch, to
So
bring my.
the fishes that are there,
Hmm.
the appellant's name will not be written on the fishes.
Oh, my lord.
Can you?
No, my very reasonable prayer, madam, I am not saying it is to be settled to me.
Then we'll have
I am not saying it is to be settled with me. it is
Mr.
to-
Chaudhary, let us accept that settlement 3 months was given to you under law. But now today, if we have to permit you, then we'll have to, it will be tantamounting to extension of the lease period.
It has not been, my lord, finalized, it has not been finalized till today, my lord. No, if this is the way, my lord, I have nothing to say, my lord.
No, no, no.
No, my lord, that is, I lift your worship. I lift your worship, my lord.
You want to take a chance? Let them take a chance. Okay, you try next week.
My lord, 20 is the last date. My lord.
Meantime, you participate.
No, no, question of participation. I am not for participation. I am not for settlement also, my lord. I am only has come, only limited prayer, my lord. During the lease period, I have invested some money, some fish there. I may be allowed to catch only for a few days, my lord, may be given. I am not saying it to be settled to me. I can participate, no problem, my lord. That no problem. My prayer is only very limited prayer, my lord. Nobody will be prejudiced to that, my lord. Nobody will be prejudiced, my lord. Only, my lord, only that. I am not saying that it will be settled with me.
Now, the question is how you have been settled for 3 months. That's the issue.
It is there with the approval of the government. What can I do? I am a beneficiary, my lord. There's in the interest of revenue they have, my lord, given to me. In the interest, they have written, my lord. In the revenue, my lord. Lift your worship.
Next week,
I lift you.
release the matter. On other day, sir. With on 23rd. No? 22. I live over.
At time 8 to 10, hearing.
Adjourn.
These matters may kindly be taken up in the next week.
Okay. Lumine is what? This is on request made by Mr.
Yes, they.
As the learned counsel for the petitioner. For the petitioner in PIL 56 of 2023, list after 2 weeks.
Much of that. Then 11 to 13.
Here, my lord, Thaji Act that, yes. But we are also in urgency, my lord.
We'll give you a date.
You lift your worship, my lord. Only matter is, my lord, these people are without any job license or even for a long time, my lord. That is the.
Heard Mr. H.R. Chowdhury, learned senior counsel, assisted by
SS Ahmed, my
SS
Ahmed.
Ahmed, learned counsel for the petitioner in WBC 6428 of. Also heard Mr. D.K. Sharma, learned additional senior government. And Mr. J. Dick, learned standing counsel, revenue department. Give a date convenient to
My lord, next, after the next week, my lord, then maybe.
My lord, AG will appear in this case, my lord.
When he will come?
In the month of August, any date, my lord, in the month of August. As instructed.
Can we, my lord, 5th of August?
on request made by the parties, released on 5th August.
Yes. Oblige.
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 Cancel the top part. I'll just say on request made by the parties.
16.
After the next week.
On request made by
Commencing from
Mr.
27.
S.K. Talukta, learned counsel for the appellants. When do you want?
My lord, commencing from 27. Well, first.
7th August.
7th, my lord, I have some difficult, one inconvenience. Can it be 5th, my lord? My lord.
12th.
12, my lord, 12.
12th August.
12.